Dilip Gupta, director and co-founder of Solar eTribe, is an engineer, businessman, and entrepreneur. Solar eTribe, or SET for short, is committed to educating the community on renewable energy, collaborating with individuals and organizations on the latest renewable energy technologies, and being a provider of residential and commercial solar panels. Recently, Susan Alvarez gave a presentation, City of Dallas Climate and Energy Initiatives. So how does climate change impact us here locally? It will increase our utility bills, increase our insurance costs, people will miss more days of work, there'll be increased illnesses, it could cause global instabilities and have an impact on national environmental treasures. The City of Dallas is implementing their new green energy policy, working with TXU for a 10-year contract to save over $8 million. They're also putting in full energy audits and encouraging the community to go solar. Solar eTribe is doing its part with a recent community outreach and education program to the STEM and Robotics Academy in Plano, Texas. An informative presentation was made to these young people on renewable energy. Solar is not merely our business, but it's our passion. Solar eTribe works to expand the solar energy market. The goal is to provide awareness to the society, improve education and knowledge about solar energy, and to work with new technologies. And the proof is in the results. A recent North Texas home had an electric bill where the net pay was only $3.46. Solar eTribe installs solar systems for both residential and commercial buildings. Solar eTribe works with experienced, seasoned installation teams that have installed over 500 solar power projects in the Dallas Metroplex and other cities in North Texas. Solar eTribe will provide you the lowest price in town, guaranteed. Keep us in mind for your solar energy needs. Contact us.